This is the recording for the activity list I've Got the Power 3, due Thursday, December 13th. Your first activity is required 3 times for 20 minutes. Read to self and practice your power goal. Read a literary text and write the title here, and write the challenge in your book was and write the challenge here. Mark each time you read your book. The first activity is writing. You're going to practice writing the body of your paper this week. This is required 15 minutes. It is learning. Scan and listen to the QR code transition words. Then write down 3 transition words from the video in the lines provided here. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 15 minutes and is learning. Scan and listen to the QR code definitions and facts. Then write down one definition or fact from the video. Write your definitions and facts here on these lines. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Complete the introduction page in your how-to book. This is independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Complete pages 2 and 3 in your how-to book. This is independent, and remember to mark your work mode. The next section is reading comprehension. This is a required activity for 20 minutes and it is practice. Read Go Easy on Energy on Epic. Answer the RAPS question in the resource area. This can be done as a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is foundational skills, endings S and ES. Green readers make S and ES words. Blue readers S or ES sort and sentences. Red readers add S or ES. White readers S and ES stories with graphic organizer. This is independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 5 minutes and it is practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This is independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Using a computer, complete the Symbaloo word building and sorting lessons S and ES endings. This is on the CWTES website. Under Students, 2nd grade, S and ES endings, it is the 4th pink box. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is social studies. The first activity in social studies is a choice, 5 minutes learning. Read Sharing Money in the resource area, or scan the QR code to listen to Sharing Money. This can be independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Complete the vocabulary activity for Why Does Money Matter in the resource area. This can be independent or pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is your scientist notebook, working on forms of energy. You have a choice. Set your timer for 10 minutes. This is learning. You can read pages 1 through 9 only of Zap, It's Electricity on Epic to review what you learned about electricity, or listen to pages 1 through 9 only of Zap, It's Electricity on Epic to review what you learned about electricity. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Explain electricity in the electricity section on the Forms of Energy page in your scientist notebook. The next activity is optional. Do this only if you have finished all your other activities. Set your timer for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read the mechanical energy text and complete the questions in the resource area. This is independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The last section is also your scientist notebook on magnets. This is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Complete the magnets page in your scientist notebook. If you need help, read the magnets page in the resource area or scan the QR code. This is to be done independently. Remember to mark your work mode. Remember to be focused. Do well on your activity list. Set those timers.